Hi girls, so I'm headed out. As you can see, I'm already dressed up, and I've done my basic makeup, and I didn't feel like doing much on my eyes today. I felt like doing a bold lip color, so I have been getting repeated requests on doing a quick eyebrow tutorial, so I decided to just do it quickly, and I also decided to eat some lipstick. My go-to product that I use for my brow is this Benefit pencil in the shade 6. As you can see, let me give you a closer look. Goof proof brow pencil. It's always like I have so many. So it has this one end is the spoolie brush, and other end is the color. So I really like this color. It goes very well with my skin, and these are my naked brows. And I open this and I start from the baseline always. That's about it. So all I'm gonna do is take the other end now, the spoolie side, and blend in the color so that I get to know that how much is the color that I really require. And you can see I'm not going to do any concealer or a brow gel, nothing right now for my everyday go-to look. And only if I feel that okay, so I am happy with the way they look right now. And that, you guys, is my go-to quick brow tutorial.